Hello, good morning. My name is Rohit Maheshwari and my roll number is 19GG105. Enrollment number is GL6344 and I am pursuing BSc Honors in Geography from Aligarh Muslim University and I am belong to Department Faculty of Science. And today I am going to discuss about climate change, vulnerability and adaptation. So as you can see, there are four keywords in this topic. First is climate, second is change, and third is vulnerability, and fourth is adaptation. And so we will understand these words one by one. So I would like to start first with climate. What is climate? It is an average weather condition in a given area over a 30 years or more year or period of time. As you can see, there is another important term, weather. So I would like to put some light on it. Weather. What is weather? It is a condition of atmosphere at particular place with respect to element like humidity, temperature, rainfall, wind velocity, etc. is called weather of that place. And now further we will talk about change. What is change? Change in atmospheric condition element like rainfall, temperature, humidity, etc. We can see the changes in accordance with respect to season. As we all know, there are four types of season in a year. First is summer, second is winter, third is rainy, fourth is spring. And now as we all know, there each season has fixed time duration within a year and each season has 3 months within a year. Now to disturbance in weather elements in temperature or rainfall or etc, these changes get disturbed. These season get disturbed by which human life are are getting disturbed and impact. So we will talk about how human life and what kind of disturbance get and we will talk about these things in our third next heading, that is vulnerability. Let's see. Vulnerability. What is vulnerability? And first I will like to tell you Hindi meaning of vulnerability. It means चपेट. चपेट आप लोग जानते हैं चपेट मीन्स which kind what kind of disturbance and what kind of people get affected by these changes. And the definition is the extent degree to which a community, society, infrastructure or geographic areas likely to be damaged by the climate change. It is affected by physical, social and economic factor. So here I would like to give an example. Hope you get understood by this example. Let's take an example. Due to sudden change of climate, a flood occurred in particular area, and by which people of that area get migrated to another safe zone. And there are two types of class in area and living people, poor and rich people easily get survived another safe zone area because they have money and skills by which they start their new business at that place. Poor people has not enough, that much not money to start their business, to their start their livelihood, to earn their livelihood. So in my opinion, lower economically lower section mostly affected by the climate change as compared to economical strongly section. So we will talk about adaptation, how we adapt these changes, how can we survive with these changes for future, and how what kind of step we have to taken to stop the climate change. So let's see. Adaptation. Adaptation is the process of adjusting natural system and human society to actual or expected climate change effect in case the climate impact are inevitable despite taking mitigation action. Here are some example as you can see on my screen. Buildings and other structure. Adapting buildings, road, railways, etc. to get better with the extreme of weather such as higher temperature or more storm. As you all know, storms are are occurrence due to climate change. It affect the infrastructure and roads and railways, etc. Due to which money wastage on it. So we have to make a strong infrastructure, to strong infrastructure. Now we will look on second example, food production. Developing new crop varieties and farming method to maintain food production as the climate change. Also shifting where we grow crops. We may also have to adapt to eating different kind of food. As we see in our India, in let's see, in North India people usually eat wheat गेहूं का आटा, and because wheat is easily grown in our area. And as we further move on South India, there is not that much production of wheat, so there people used to eat rice, because rice is the main production of that area. So we have to live in with these changes. So thank you to listen me, and I hope you get understood. I will try my best at my level.